Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Ooh, hold on y'all, let me brush this hair out a little bit. It's looking a little crunchy. But y'all, if y'all have not read by the title, today we are going to Orlando slash Kissimmee. Yeah. So let me show y'all this. We have about 4 hours and 17 minutes, 239 miles. Let's check the dash. Okay, hold on, let's focus on the dash. We got enough gas to go there straight. I'm trying not to make no stops, y'all, but 4 hours, we gonna see. As y'all can see, I got the big boy today. It's more seats in the back, but I had to let them down so my suitcase fit. Oh yeah, let me add this on. So right now I'm headed to go pick up my cousins, 3 of them. And once I get them, we're going straight there. Well, I'll take that back. I do want to give me some Elianos before we go. So we're gonna make a stop first, then we're gonna go. Who calling me? Let me answer this phone. Bye y'all. Or not bye, but see y'all later. Oh wait, look at my nails. They're a little basic. We're gonna talk about the nail situation later. Okay, later.
I need to see you.
We made it.
Hey y'all.
We made it, y'all. Look at the way I parked. Got niece in the cut. Got Nikki.
What's up? What's up?
All right, y'all.
What's up, Mellories?
You remember
Y'all see my suitcase? Who? Y'all see my suitcase? John, can you help me get it?
Yeah.
Before y'all go upstairs, you gotta take your shoes off.
Oh, why? Oh, girl.
You'll see the sign.
Cha.
What up, Billy? You had to say.
Playing basketball.
There is.
Stay on that.
Okay. Hold on, let me take my shoes off now.
See there?
Dang, it's 2 beds in
What
here.
you said? Turn off the Wi-Fi, look.
Oh, it's no, huh?
The Wi-Fi.
Here. My bad. Jesus. Okay. Okay, hold on. Okay, it's a wash and dryer. They ain't here playing basketball. Can y'all say hey to my vlog? Yo, bro, come on. Please don't eat a drink. I'm definitely gonna eat a drink. What it is? Ooh, it's nice. Okay. Real nice, real nice. It's the outside with the pool. It's a little door right there. I think that's my granddaddy room. But it's nice though. Real nice. I just know my mama got that TV on the Hallmark. She's the only one that watch Hallmark in Lifetime. Like it's the best thing ever. This is a big kitchen.
Don't tell Jack.
Hey, Miss Lily! In his bathroom. Good Lord, have mercy.
You ain't married, did you?
Okay, this
Got your room. Any room with that room with United.
Every video
where your room at? This one?
Right there.
Which one mine?
I want you to look around first.
Oh.
Let me look.
That was cute too.
I don't like this room.
I like that one.
I want a glass bathroom.
It's the same thing.
Why we can't just change rooms
No.
though? I used to change y'all diapers, bro.
You make up your bed. What you mean?
Listen to what I'm saying.
Hold on, listen. This is what I'm saying.
It would've made
Hold
sense.
on.
No, listen.
Listen though, listen though.
yeah, you need to come.
Because listen. Hold on, this shower is kind of like the other one.
What?
So I gotta share a bathroom with John and TJ?
See, I don't want her to
I don't want to share a bathroom with boys.
You don't have to,
though.
Lily. You can come in our bathroom.
I mean, I know that, but I like this.
I know that. Alright, y'all doing that. We need to go to Walmart.
What you want to do?
I really like this bathroom.
Or get, or
I like the other one too.
Or get TJ them.
It would make sense. It would, but listen, it made.
Or get TJ them.
It made. Okay, y'all. So this is my room, right? This the room that I'm trying to switch to. Hello, y'all. This the room I'm trying to switch to. This room I'm trying to switch to because y'all see the room, right?
You not getting it.
Hold on. Y'all see the room?
This room just like.
Hello.
It's made for me.
Listen, y'all see the room? It would make sense for me to share with a girl instead of sharing with boys. Oh no, though, like the other one do look a little bigger. If the TV got Roku in it, y'all, then I'm gonna switch. If it do, if the TV ain't got Roku, I ain't changing. Cause I got Roku, but they don't know I got Roku. Hold on, let me see. I ain't even gonna lie to you. 2 sinks. But low key, y'all, I think I should keep the other room. I just don't want to share a room with boys. Yeah, I ain't gonna keep this room because they ain't got Roku on their TV. But I ain't gonna tell them though, because if I tell them that they bed they room don't got Roku, then they not gonna want to switch room. So I think I'm gonna keep the other room, but I gotta deal with sharing room. I mean bathroom, boys. I don't even like sharing bathroom. I don't even like sharing period. But it's okay. They think I'm not listening, but I'm listening. We're having a meeting. First of all, they act like they can't.
I gotta go to the store because I gotta get some more toilet paper.
And we need to go get food.
Yeah.
I don't even know if enough. I ain't even checked to see if the toilet paper's in those. Y'all check them bathrooms and see if the toilet paper because I'm gonna get some more toilet. What room?
Okay, I'm gonna keep my room I got because
you can come use my shower.
I can't say the reason why, because if I tell them why, it's something I noticed in the other room. If I tell them why, they go want to switch.
They just said the TV bigger.
Tell me.
No, the TV bigger.
Tell me, Lily.
No.
Okay, yeah.
Is something bad?
Hey.
No, it ain't bad.
Hey, I get some food.
All right.
That's why you need to start wearing little drugs like that.
What's it?
Wait a minute. Okay,
Shit, we live from Double O. Shit, I got little Ski in here with me. Got little Nani in here with me.
Don't say that. Say Scoob. Say Scoob. I'm Scoob. My bad. I'm Scoob, y'all.
I ain't got no drink in here today, but you know we lit.
Can y'all push this up to
We got little Nani in here with me,
Can y'all
man.
push the dress up? Wait. Let me
Push the dress up.
Yeah, like push up to the end of the bed.
Auntie call me.
Okay, I'm heading downstairs. Tell them all to come on. Hey, y'all, come on.
Y'all come on, bro.
Walmart time. Okay, let me get the camera. All right, y'all. I know y'all missed me. It's been a while. We finna go to Walmart and then we're gonna go to Wingstop. The camera. You wanna say hey? The camera. You wanna say hey?
I want you to say camera. I had to have a brief meeting upstairs.
Y'all, she walks slow.
Where you put this stuff at, baby?
Ski down.
No. I mean, yeah, he is here.
What the hell, though? I just been in the camera.
Tell Nikki she want to see the laundry room. It's right here. And let me put this in the kitchen.
Anyways, y'all. We go to Walmart and we'll get back to y'all when we go to Walmart.
Alright, now push it.
Y'all so sweet. Thank you.
You just got a dress for you.
Why you doing that? Cause I want to be able to see the TV.
So movie night.
No, I really can't see for real.
Movie night.
Hey, tell my mama to come here. Tell her to come here. I want to try and say. I got a little walkway in the back. Okay. Appreciate it. Love y'all.
Oh, we trying to go to.
Oh, y'all got my keys, TJ? You ready? A little amp. Oh. And I was talking all that junk. Okay. We all eating breakfast. Can everybody say hey to my... Can y'all say hey to my vlog? Thank you. Nikki, can y'all say hey to my vlog, Giant Auntie, please? Hello. Granddaddy, say hey to the camera. Say hey. Y'all, so we all eating breakfast. Mama just made some breakfast. I look like a little bug right now, y'all. Look at my eyes. I look just like a little bug. I got a cold in my eyes. But we finna eat though. We finna set this food up. Alright y'all, so I'm almost done dressed. I had to add the waist trainer because why not? But I did get my hair laid a little bit. It's showing a little bit up here. You can't really see on camera, but it should be okay. Like we should be good. Now I just gotta put my jewelry on and do my lip liner and my lip gloss and I'll be done. Alright y'all, so this is the fit. Hair straight. This the shirt. American Eagle jeans. This cute little purse. Can't even get out. This cute little purse from Shein and a little cherries. And yeah, shoes. Yep. I have yet to fully walk in here. I'm definitely gonna play pool later. and I'm gonna shoot some hoops. Matter of fact, let me try now. If I make this, I'm gonna be a millionaire one day. Okay. Ooh, okay. Recording? Y'all, we look good.
I look good, don't I?
Purr. Yeah.
What you got gum and you ain't even tell me?
I got one more piece. One piece? I don't know what this is, but Jada in there?
Yeah, of course they in there.
They got American Alpha Eagle. Don't you know about Eagle?
Yeah. We are at the Florida Mall. I look really good. But yeah. It's packed, y'all. Real big pack, like. And that's not even it all, but anyways, I'm gonna get back to you. Well, we're gonna get back to you guys when, I don't know, when we get
I was calling you back when you called me earlier, right?
food, or figure out what we're gonna eat, or when we go in a different store.
Oh yeah. I'm finna let my, how old are you? 14-year-old sister get a tattoo.
Hold up.
Come on.
The way you said,
We get the tattoos, y'all. Y'all, they got one of those sushi places where the food comes around. That is so cool. I don't know if they just sell sushi, but that's really, really cool.
I always want some perfume, I'm telling y'all. Y'all, she done bought my up in here, and she said she was hungry and thirsty. We've been looking for something to drink for the past hour.
I like amaranth.
Nah, yo, if Lily take y'all somewhere, or Talia, if Talia take y'all somewhere, y'all ain't leaving until 2 hours. I ain't even gonna have, probably more. But we're gonna get back to y'all when we get some food. I just said you won't always want perfume.
I'm getting this, y'all. It's $150.
And if Talia take y'all somewhere, y'all gonna be in the store for more than 2 hours.
No, we're not.
Did you just give me the camera while it was recording? Somebody's mad. No, I'm just playing though. But she getting this one. Apparently it smells like some type of vanilla, and it kind of really stinks to me. I feel like every strong scent stink to me. So yeah.
Is it good? I've got beef and shrimp. I'm not big on shrimp, but I wanted them today. So when we done shopping, I did buy this Arabian perfume, and that's it. I'm not buying nothing else today. Period.
If you ain't happy, I ain't happy. I just won't make it right.
Let's do the night. I don't know. And on top of that, I don't down. With that dog food truck coming, wow, police coming,
You can't put black people.
You play, I'm laying down.
Ending day 2 off with the pool night. I will get footage of that. Right now she's opening the speaker.
We gotta see how I did.
So yeah, we'll get back to you guys when we get outside.
We out here just chilling, y'all. They about to come out here. I got my food and speaker, y'all. I was gonna get in the pool, but my stomach kind of hurting, so I'm gonna just stand out the pool and watch. And then they in there, they finna come out here too. Yeah. Yes, it is. A sugar battery. Which one? The one she got on, right?
Hey, Lily.
Okay, ready to go. We're rushing. I gotta hurry up. And yeah, just the fit. We're cute.
I got my wallet.
So, I'm on my phone because my camera is about to die. Ooh, I hope nobody don't drop their phone. Ooh, this do look fun right here.
Yeah, keep going.
Look, I was waiting on everybody else to get here. I'm vlogging on my phone because my camera died. Y'all say what's up to my vlog. Bro. Put that
never